prototype or object to make it customer friendly. This software enhances effectiveness, efficiency, improves human well-being, user satisfaction, accessibility, and sustainability. For the human-centered design thinking, there are three phases. Inspiration. We learn from the in this phase we take survey for a particular idea. We get to know it from the people, and in the second phase is ideation. In this, from the survey, we get to know what are the things required for the object or the project, and the implementation. From the analysis, we try to implement it and make it a operating prototype. So our prototype name is HCDT Traveler's Kit 1.2. So our main stakeholders are the owners, as in ourselves, cooperative banks who will be interested in investing, suppliers, basically all the products in this Traveler's Kit. Our target audience will be families, cooperative executives, service engineers, and trackers. Design motive is it is compact, lightweight, essential, and economical. So from our survey of 30 people, we got to know about this. From the families, there were 4 male and 8 female. Cooperative executives, there were 4 male and 2 female. Service engineers, there were 6 male and 2 female. Trackers, there were 2 male and 2 female. So from the analysis point of view, from the families, we got to survey that 12 people out of 12 families, it was known that all the 12 people needed medicine in our kit, eatables, power banks, headphones, tissue papers, and extra clothing. From the cooperative executive point of view, they required laptops or iPads, medicines, power banks or chargers, headphones, tissue papers, extra clothing, and blindfold. From the service engineers and trackers point of view, because both had the same point of view and they needed the same kits and equipments, so they were toolkit, that is in screwdriver set, medicines, eatables includes energy bars.